the best credit repair company is. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully y'all blessed. Hopefully y'all amazing. Hopefully y'all great. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. My name is Michael Benjamin. I'm the CEO of Consumer Ammunition Tactics, or CAT. So basically what we do is we provide consumer education, consumer laws, credit repair services, things like that. So today I want to talk about basically what the best credit repair company is, because I know a lot of y'all, a lot of consumers, y'all don't really be too familiar with the process of credit repair, and you want, obviously you want the best when you're going into something, and stuff like credit is it's like a touchy subject. So I just want to give y'all some more information so you can make a more informed decision moving forward. If you get value out of anything I'm saying today, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share it with somebody, because credit is one of those things. Like I said, credit is one of those things where it's a touchy subject, so you want to make the right decision without being judged. So this is your judgment-free zone. We're having a conversation right now, and I hope that I can help you make the best decision that you will make for your own situation. So anyways, the best credit repair company. The best credit repair company is CAT. You feel me? So first of all, when it comes to the best credit repair company, I want y'all to be aware of the fact that you wanna really analyze what they're doing. So a lot of times credit repair companies will have you on a monthly like fee, monthly spending thing, and that's already like a red flag in my opinion, because technically what they could do by having you on a monthly retainer or whatever you want to call it is they could be like, okay, we're gonna send out your letters, but they're not necessarily sending out your letters. So just make sure you don't get finessed when it comes to something like that. So when it comes to actually knowing like the best credit repair company, you want to make sure that they're not having you on that monthly paying situation, because that can really, mess you up. Red flag as well, if they're not fully disclosing everything that they're supposed to disclose. If you're asking questions, you're getting a runaround, and it just seems like unclear. Like some of these stuff are common sense. So it's like, just use your brain and, really talk to them and, get more information. Like I said, CAT is the best credit repair company. I feel like you should feel like you're the best if you are the best. I know I'm the best. I know we're the best. That's how I feel. And I feel like if you're starting a credit repair company, you should feel like you're the best. So you should hold yourself up to these standards. So CAT, we hold ourselves up to these standards. We're fully disclosing information. We're not having people on that monthly. We're fair with our pricing. When I say fair with our pricing, we know our worth. The cheapest is not, the best. And the best isn't the cheapest. So you got to remember that. So we're not the cheapest, but we are the best. So you got to remember that. So keep that in mind when you're looking for a credit repair company. If you see a credit repair company, they're just saying like, oh, $300, we just gonna clean up everything. I think that's a red flag. So when it comes to the best, you've got to understand like what you put in is what you're gonna receive. It's not always a universal law like that, but it's a good way to measure things. So keep that in mind. Keep in mind price. If it's super, super cheap, it might be a red flag. If it's super, super expensive, it doesn't necessarily mean that, it's valuable. So you got to find that right medium that, CAT has. So if you want to work with us, you can definitely get in contact with me and see if you qualify to work with us. We might not be taking clients at the time you're watching this, but it's worth a shot if you want to try and see if we're taking clients. So we talk about pricing. You want to make sure that you're not looking for something too cheap, maybe not too expensive as well, and you don't want to be on that monthly. So these are the characteristics of the best. Results, that's the best. So you want to look for those testimonials. If you go to our IG page, you're going to see testimonials. You're going to see deletions. You want to see proof that they have deletions. We done got 45 deletions in one round for somebody. So it's just one of those things you got to understand. Are they capable of doing what they're saying that they're doing? An additional thing, the best credit repair companies like CAT, they don't make guarantees. They don't make guarantees for deletions because that's already a violation of the CROA, Credit Repair Organization Act, if you didn't know. 15 U.S.C. 1679. Go look it up, be familiar with it. If you're starting a credit repair company, or if you're not even starting a credit repair company, I just want y'all to be familiar with it because it's good for you to know your rights under the CROA and how you can be violated by these credit repair organizations. So keep that in mind. Y'all deserve the best. That's why you deserve to work with Cat. Y'all deserve the best. That's why you should, create your own credit repair company and follow the rules. Do it legally. Do it ethically, right? That brings me to my next point. The best credit repair companies are ethical. You want to be ethical. You don't want to look at it as like it's just, just money or whatever. Obviously for me, if you know about my story, I was able to retire my 9-to-5 job based off of starting a credit business. And credit repair was part of it, but we also, do digital products as well. And these are the things I teach in my mentorship. You don't have to just do credit repair. Like for clients to actually make money, there's multiple ways to make money. There's like multiple streams within the credit industry, just besides fixing people's credit. But I say that to say, have an abundance mindset, but look at it as value first. Add impact to these people's lives. You have their personal information, you're doing all of this stuff. Make sure you're operating to where you're caring about your clients. And I'm hopping now into you starting your own credit repair company. But if you're someone that doesn't want to start your own credit repair company, then just take what I'm saying as things to look for in the company you're working with. These are things you'll see with Cat. And then an additional characteristics of the best credit repair companies. The best credit repair companies, they don't make it like they just take anybody, You have to have a filter, you have to have qualifying questions to make sure it's the right fit. Because if everybody's just, getting accepted, doesn't that tell you there's something wrong? Let's think about school. With school, it's a difference between getting accepted into Harvard versus getting accepted at your local community college. You know what I'm saying? So you got to look at it in that aspect as well, because if the credit repair company is just taking on any and everybody, they for everybody, they for the streets, you know what I'm saying? So, but if they're more selective and they're more catered to your situation, you're going to feel more like, okay, they actually screen people, they have qualifying questions. We don't take on everybody. When we do our consultations, we do some qualifying questions. Even if someone wants to, pay us, if they don't qualify, they don't qualify. It's not just about money. It's about, the mindset. Do they believe we're going to get it? Is it a sense of urgency thing? Is this a priority for them? Like, what's their goal? Things like that. So when you're working with the best, like Cat, you feel me? You got to make sure that they're asking you these qualifying questions. Do they actually care about your situation, or are they just looking for money? So these are just things I want y'all to be aware of as you're looking to work with a credit repair company. I know that I see a lot of people talk about how, credit repair companies are scams, things like that. And a lot of them are. So I take it upon myself, me as someone that's working in the same lane, to come out here and let y'all know what to look out for. Because, it's a lot of finessing going on out here, and I don't want y'all to get finessed. And I don't want y'all to be doing the finessing. If you create your own credit repair company, if you create your company, you got inspired by me or whatever your situation is, I want you to do it ethically, right? Because we do it ethically, and I want you to do it ethically as well. So, yeah, just look at the pricing, look at everything I've been saying, and basically, I think you'll be able to make a well-informed decision if you go about it that way, because that's definitely what will help you as far as getting to the next level. So y'all know the best credit repair company is Cat. You feel me? So it is what it is. I can come on here and say it. I can come on here and not say it. If you work with us, you're going to see, we are the best. But if you create your own company, if you have your own company, I want you to feel like you are the best as well. So take everything I'm saying, do it as a checklist. Am I doing X, Y, Z? Okay, oh, I'm doing a monthly thing, maybe I need to change the way I'm doing my pricing, because you're charging before the job is done, unless that's a separate retainer fee, right? So you want to make sure you're not violating that CROA 1679B section of prohibited practices. Just being familiar with your rights, your consumer laws, and things like that, right? My credit repair business owners or aspiring business owners, those of y'all that's not aspiring, you're just looking for someone to actually fix your credit, just checklist everything that I said here in the video, and that'll help you get to the next level. If you want to work with us specifically, you can leave a comment, and we'll see if we can work. Or if you're an action taker, what you could do is you could text the word repair to 914-353-4741. Text the word repair to 914-353-4741. We'll see if you qualify to work with us. We'll look at your situation. I'll have someone on my team, get with you and see if you can work with us, and we'll go from there. If, depending on when you're watching this video, if you text the number and it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But you can comment below, and we'll be able to help your situation. But keep in mind too, also, the best credit repair company is yourself, because you can literally do it yourself. Nobody's gonna handle your own situation with the most care besides yourself, right? You know your situation, so it's like you care about yourself more than anyone cares about yourself. So keep that in mind too. You can do it yourself. We put out all the resources. I got a podcast. I got so many free resources for y'all. I got the YouTube. I got TikTok. I put out so much free information. So it's like, at this point, if you watch all my content and you don't know how to actually fix your credit, then you're just willfully ignoring the information. I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Hopefully y'all got value. And hopefully you have a list of things to check before you work with a credit repair company if you're not doing it yourself. And not only that, but if you're creating your own credit repair company. So hopefully this video brought y'all value. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share it with somebody that's going to get value. Y'all have a blessed one.